No free trials needed here, Pixel Pirates. Coming up are a dozen free-to-use text-to-image creation platforms, so you get your hooks into all the AI art you can dream of. Leonardi AI. Free plan available with 150 daily credits. A lot of different models and options to play around with. Choose a model. Add elements which are extra styles for your output. Add a prompt, or use the prompt generation to write one. Add a negative prompt. Select the number of images. There's a transparent background option too. Be warned, generations costs vary depending on your settings, so check the number on that generation button before hitting it. Easily upscale your creations, remove backgrounds, and get downloads with no watermarks. Also add motion to your created images. Fantastic selection of options and models here. Great outputs. Motion is nice, but this platform may be better for the more experienced users. Desgo, with a simple interface. 4 models on the text-to-image XL. More models if you select text-to-image. Free credits given on signing up to use with Power Mode. Enables extra features like upscaler, background removal, extra image outputs. But be careful, when your green lightning bar light is on, you're using your free Power Mode credits. Ratio sizes differ depending on the model you're using. Some limitations on the free plan. Can be a little slow, outputs are generally good. Deep Dream Generator. Free to use with some limitations. Sign up for an account. Simple interface. So, great for beginners. Not many models to choose from on the free plan. Click the info button and watch the how to use video. Get 3 free pro images daily. Credits to use when you sign up and log in. Credits recharge with certain actions and usage. Outputs are good, downloads with no watermarks. Diffusionart.co. Diffusion Art is free to use, with many different text-to-image models available along the big sidebar. Choose one of the many options. Wait for it to load and enter your prompt. Generally, they all have a similar and simple interfaces, although some have more options to tweak and adjust depending on the model. So you will have to try a few out to see which ones best suit your needs. With PNG downloads and no watermarks. Not even halfway done yet. Links to all platforms are in the description. And while you're there, show this video some love, bash that subscribe button, and share it to your socials. Get IMG, 100 images a month on the free plan. Around 80 different models to choose from. Simple interface with advanced options to change. Sizing or number of images. Add a negative prompt. Change steps amount and guidance scale. 1 credit per generation, with good outputs. Upgrade for £9 a month gets you 3,000 images, or 1,500 HD images monthly, and use of the image to video. It's an option, if the 100 free credits doesn't quite cut it for you. Wowzer.ai. Requires sign-up to get 100 credits a month. Simple interface, but only 2 models to use on the free plan. Choose which models or select both. Pick an aspect ratio. Select a style model. Generates 4 images at a time, each one quite different. So you only get 25 creations a month, but outputs are good. Save creations to your account or enter them into weekly competitions. Super easy to use. Gamu, with 10 daily image credits. Very straightforward and simple to use. Not many options to tweak, so great for beginners. Enter a prompt. Choose from one of 6 styles. Pick a ratio size and hit generate. Outputs are pretty good. Stable cog. 100 free credits when you sign in. Then 10 free credits every 12 hours, so 20 generations per day. With 7 different aspect ratios to choose from 10 models for your generations. Also a negative prompt feature. No watermarks, but no commercial usage on the free plan. 4 to go yet. But if you still need more image generation tools, check out my other video. The link's popping up now, or check the description. Mage.space. Free plan has unlimited usage and unlimited enhance options. Although only 3 models to work with compared to 160 if you upgrade. But with good setting options, 7 aspect ratios, with guidance scale and step scale options. Choose between 1 to 4 images per output. Stable Diffusion AI. Sign up and login required. Simple interface, with 10 generations per day on a daily refresh. Add a text prompt or upload an image. Choose from 8 models. Pick from one of the 7 aspect ratios. Generate 1 or 2 images per prompt. Produces good quality images that are kept for 7 days in your account. Downloads do have a watermark at the bottom right, but easy to crop them out or edit them in another software. Krea, free to use. Text-to-image or image-to-image generations. Sadly, only square ratio outputs. 4 models to choose from. HD model is not available for free. Click on the Generate option. Type in your prompt and get instant imagery as you type. Change your prompt to update it, or click the variation button to get another generation from your prompt. Scale images up to 2048 by 2048 pixels and enhance quality all for free with the image enhancer, although it's a little slow in generating them. Very simple to use and can produce some good outputs. ImGen AI, totally free to use, no restrictions. Enter a prompt and it generates 4 images at a time for you. No controls to tweak and no sizing options, just a square image. Download options in SD or HD with no watermark and has commercial usage. Outputs weren't the greatest, but its other free tools like the watermark remover are great. So for you free-loving pixel pirates out there, check those out. So there's a dozen AI creation tools to get stuck into. If that's not enough, check out my other video with more free AI tools. So until next time, take care out there, and thanks for watching.